This is the insulation video. You can see the little insulation droplets hanging out of the wall. So I'll be cutting them down, like I say. Showed you a lot of them on the previous video. Trying to figure this camera stuff out. I'm a builder. I'm not a well, I guess I take pictures, so this would be filmmaking. They got to get used to this, making films. Who knows? Maybe I could be the next director. We went over yesterday the insulation, so we're foaming all the cracks. That's all the little drip block you see here. So this I'll trim all back and cut it to where they don't stick down. But that's all about filling all the insulation in. Or filling all the little holes in with insulation, I guess you'd say. 3 cans with my gun. So it wasn't too bad, so probably under $40 to insulate the back. So after the back, I'll go up and start doing the front, maybe today or tomorrow. Been a little bit cold outside. Yesterday we got 4.5 inches of snow. A little before that we was down in like the teens. So it makes a little bit difficult to work. I got my little heater. Keeps me a little warm. Not much. So yesterday we insulated all the little pieces up here because at this stuff being $30, $40 a sheet, I had a bunch of small pieces, so I tried to use them up anywhere we could. And then this last piece here, we'll actually try to slide up over here somehow. I've got to look too long for you. Ready? So like I say, we insulated all this down in the bottom, and then we used our foam gun to foam in between all the cracks and everything, and it's insulated down there. This is all insulated here. I painted it black. And then this is my board that I'm gonna mount all of our new solar controls on and stuff like that. So all these wires actually come over onto this board and make up on this board. So we're getting close now to where we can actually start putting this back together and insulate the rest of this. We're gonna do 1 inch all the way back on top of this too. And then we'll insulate the floor with 1 inch. And then move on with progress. So there wasn't a lot on this video, but you know, a little bit. So time's getting short, so we'll go ahead and cut it again. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.